Hello, entrepreneurs. My name is Gagan Chaudhary, founder entrepreneuradda.com, your CFO partner. Hope you all are safe and taking all the necessary precautions during this tough time. Friends, we have passed about 7 months of these difficult circumstances, lockdowns. Things are becoming normal and it is gradually opening up everything. So, in these kind of difficult time, most of the companies have done various innovative things in order to survive. So, I want to share few of the initiatives which my clients they have done in order to survive. Because अगर आपने 7 महीना survive कर लिया है तो chances of you surviving for another 6 to 12 months is very high, and you can subsequently you can grow or you can be normalized in your business. So initiatives are various initiative. सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस फिक्स कॉस्ट पे गया है. आज रेंट है, एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट और दोज काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर विच इज़ ऑफ फिक्स नेचर, हाउ यू कैन स्केल देम डाउन. सो जहाँ पे पॉसिबल है बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस ने वैसे कॉन्शियस कॉल लिए हैं. आई नो बिजनेसेस दे हैव क्लोज डाउन देयर हेड ऑफिस एंड हायर्ड a small space in some business center where interchangeably 10 to 12 people can go, discuss and come back. Most of the other guys they are working from home and they are surviving, and they are now coming to the normal sale after 7 months. So higher amount of rent also, companies are negotiating with landlord either on a revenue share model or they are giving up those premises. So more focus is coming on the online channel. Businesses are selling more on online and they are ready to give a discount to the customer, additional discount to the customer. So that becomes a win-win situation. Companies are using technology more, how they can automate the process so that the cost reduction can happen. Apart from this, staff cost rationalization also, you have to keep analyzing each and every staff and what is the best payout you can give it to them. Forget about what you were giving it earlier, but now based on the scenario, what you can give best to them, and this is how you can look at your employee budget. You can rationalize it. Once things becomes normal, you can restore to the normal. What kind of initiative you have done for your business in order to survive? Because अभी ये 7 महीना ठीक है, but next 6 to 12 months are more crucial. उसके लिए आपके पास क्या प्लान है, आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हैं, आपके बिजनेस प्लान में क्या चेंज करने हैं, आपकी रिसोर्स रिक्वायरमेंट क्या क्या रहेगी, आपको फंडिंग अगर मिलनी है तो कहाँ से मिलेगी, व्हाट विल बी योर रेवेन्यू चैनल फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 to 12 months टाइम. सो वो सब थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपने 7 महीना सर्वाइव कर लिया है तो अगले साल भर की प्लानिंग करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So if you want to discuss your business plan, if you want to discuss anything relating to your business for next 6 to 12 months, what should be the strategy, what should be the process which a company should set up in order to survive. So if you want to discuss any of those things, please reach out to us and we will be happy to help. Be safe and enjoy. Thank you.